I'm afraid that this session of political parties will yield anything for reconciliation, because political positions are at variance, and no process has been initiated by the central government to reconcile at the political level. So that's why I think this meeting is also, I think it's a premature meeting, because at political level, first reconciliation has to come and decision has to be made. Then on the basis of that decision, problems can be discussed. You see, now everything is hanging in air now. The central government has not convened any political meeting of the political parties to press upon any reconciliation, or it did not announce any time frame of convening a parliament or assembly, so that if political parties are not reconciled on their position, the best way to proceed is putting the issue in parliament and assembly, let democratic process take its own course and decide. These two processes are not being initiated by the central government. That's why the issue is hanging fire, and the movements are developing in coastal Rayalaseema. In the past, the same movements developed in Telangana area. When irreconcilable positions are there among people, among political parties, in a democracy, the solution is putting the issue on the floor of the parliament or assembly and taking vote and going forward. Enough procrastination is there for the last 4 years, and enough discussions are there for the last 4 years. Enough agitations are there. Now the urgent need is to put a full stop to this thing by going before the parliament or assembly. That is so, because you are saying about reconciliation, nothing short of this can bring reconciliation for the political process. And next thing is reconciliation on the basis of issues. CPM at the All India level, at the state level, feels that disintegration of, or bifurcation or trifurcation or disintegration of linguistic states, present linguistic states, is going to harm the foundations of our Indian constitution, secularism, democracy, and federalism. That's why we are opposing the dismantling of any present state of affairs with regard to the states. If once that is the position, CPM says that even in United States there are so many problems. There are inequalities of regions, inequalities of social sections, SCs, STs, and minorities. And for the last 60 years, that inequalities are not being bridged by the political parties. And even if United States is there in the future also, that problems will remain. Our point is, even if it is divided into 2 or 3, these problems are not going to be solved. Still these problems will remain. Still the political will of the parties has to come forward to solve all these problems. Now the discussion is the status of Hyderabad and the status of river waters and the division of finances. All things are, I think, according to my view, they are not fundamental, they are not irreconcilable. Once the political position is there, all these problems can be solved. Once the political position of integration is there, the problem of uneven development and social equality, other things can be tackled if there is a political will. Even if the state is, political position of dividing state is made, even then the problem of Hyderabad, the river waters, everything can be solved by agreement or by arbitration or by anything. There are means. Previously those means were adopted, now those means can be adopted. So my position is, the first and fundamental thing is the political reconciliation or political solution to the problem. The other problems are not so much important. Thank you.